Good morning, it's Mr. Brissman. This is 9/8/2020, which is a Tuesday, and this is the first day of face-to-face learning. So there's a couple things we need to go through. First of all, today in Canvas, you'll find assignments that involve a grammar intro with colons and semicolons, and then some practice that you should do with that. We're going to talk in just a second on this video about something called weekly wonders, what they are and what your responsibility is with them. And I've got a couple quick announcements. One's for synchronous learners. Synchronous learners should have already jumped on Teams. See Canvas for your link. If you're an asynchronous learner, in other words, you're doing this at a time that is not your actual class scheduled time, you just need to work through today's assignments. Office hours are going to be from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. You'll find the office hours link on Canvas. If you've listened this far, there is an assignment that is going to connect to a grade that I'm going to talk about within this video. So please make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so weekly wonders. What is today's weekly wonder? Weekly wonders is something I've devised. It's basically a bell ringer to get us engaged in our brains working and work on ELA skills every single day. It's going to be something a little bit different each day, and you'll get to see what those differences are from Monday through Friday. But for Tuesday, because it is Tuesday, you are going to be doing Take a Stand Tuesday. What we're taking a stand on today is this weird question. Which airline logo has the best design? As you're pondering that question, you may want to pause the video now. Okay, I'm sure you've thought of it out, totally. There's not a right or wrong answer to this question. I hope you understand that. Except for the fact that you have to be able to justify your answer. Just saying Lufthansa or Qantas or Southwest, none of those are correct just by saying them. They're only correct if you can get somebody to believe you, and that happens by providing reasoning or evidence that supports your opinion. Because this is an opinion question, we know that. However, if you can get people to believe your reasoning, it ceases to just be an opinion anymore. Now it's an argument that you've made and supported. So, how do I want you to record this answer and why? Well, each day of the week, you're going to have something to respond to, and you're going to record those all in one document. At the end of the week, you're going to take one of the things you recorded, expand upon it just a little bit, and you're going to post it to an assignment that'll show up on Friday in Canvas. It won't be a huge response. It's just a tiny, tiny thing. So you're going to open up a nice Word document. It's empty. You're going to put in the date, 9/8/20, and maybe type the question, which airline logo has the best design? And you're going to answer it in a sentence or more. The United Airlines logo is best designed because it employs bold colors and a simple shape that evokes the name of the company. Okay, that would be enough. Now you'll notice I chose an answer that was not available to you because I didn't want to tip my hand at what my true feelings are about the airlines that are in the assignment. The key here is that you gave an answer, an opinion, and you give some reasoning. What are some actual choices that were made within whatever you consider to be good design that means that that is the correct answer? So one more time, we'll go back and take a look at it. Which airline logo has the best design? Whichever one you decide on is correct. At the end of the week, you might come back to this question or one of the others we'll have on Wednesday, Thursday, or possibly the one we do with Friday, and you'll get to choose which one is the posted one for the week. If you got any questions, jump in on office hours or talk to me in person if you're here in class. That is all. Have a great day.